In this video, I'm going to show you how to add images in ibis Paint X. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your canvas, and then you can see at the very bottom right, you have like that button, which is like an arrow to the left, and then to the left of that, you have like a button where there's like a number 1, and there's a bunch of layers. So you want to tap on that layer button at the bottom right, where you can see for me, there's like a 1 on there, and that's going to open up your layers. Now, whenever you do this, you can see there's a bunch of different things. You can see your layers on the right, and then on the left, you can see it says layer, and then at the bottom you have like the plus icons and stuff like that. Now there on the left, you can see here is a camera button. Now if you tap on that, it's going to say import picture, so you want to tap on this, and then it's going to open your gallery just like that, and in here you can just find the image you actually want to add. So I'm going to scroll down and just use this image over here and tap on done. Whenever you do this, as you can see, it's going to allow you to basically kind of form in perspective, do a mesh form, etc. You have a bunch of different settings over here as well to kind of zoom and stuff like this. You can change it if you want to, and then whenever you're ready, you can simply tap on a check mark down at the bottom, and that's going to basically add on the layer. So as you can see, it's going to say import picture. If you have imported analog line drawings, you can use extract, etc. So I'm just going to tap on cancel over here, and there we go, my image is in here. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.